We're here in our blinds manufacturing center here at Ecoline Windows and Doors. So the first thing that's going to do is our order comes into our lovely Oksana here. She's going to get the order over and we're going to go over to our cutting center so you can see how fast this goes. We're going to cut our cassette in our inner tube, line it up, make sure everything's good to go. Make a nice cut. Come over here. We have all the different fabrics, different colors, different styles. Everything is all labeled nicely. Pull our fabric out and we're gonna take it over to our CNC machine here. Fabric comes out of the casing. We're gonna take it over to our rolling device here, set it out on the table, and we're gonna set it up so that once these types of machines, all you gotta do is install the roll, get it all lined up, and then the machine will do the rest. It's all computerized and it's gonna cut it to the exact length, width, any shape you're looking for. It's gonna do it all for you like that. Really, really cool machine. There's a big roller system that's gonna be able to move, that's on a kind of a track. The cutting device, you can cut blinds, huge blinds, any size of window. There's a suction device there that'll be powered by an air compressor that holds the fabric down so that it cuts it properly. You get that nice clean cut. When you're working with a blade, a mechanical system, something that a human is doing, there's always room for error. With this type of machine, as long as it's set up properly, Oksana knows what she's doing. She's gonna be able to take care of it. She's gonna cut it perfectly, and you're gonna have no frays in that fabric. Everything's gonna be nice and clean, and it's to be ready for your house. All right, we got our fabric laid out, and the compressor is going to come on at some point. It'll hold the fabric down, and then we'll be able to take our computer-guided cutting device and cut that fabric perfectly straight, no frays, just one clean cut. Wow. All right, our sample is ready. It's all cut. Look at that, just comes right off. And you can see how clean and sharp those cuts are. There's no frays in that fabric at all. This is very delicate fabric, and it's all perfectly cut every single time. And this is the kind of effort that Ecoline is putting into their blinds. They're not doing this half-assed. This isn't someone running some sort of manufacturing out of their garage. This is how it's done professionally, and this is how you build materials, build these blinds to last forever. Again, I'm blown away by this type of technology that they're using. It's going to go a long way, and you're going to see a lot of quality blinds being made. And I don't think the homeowners are going to have any other choice but to go with Ecoline when it comes to the blinds, let alone the windows and doors. Next step, we got our fabric cut. Now we're actually going to start assembling the blinds, which is really cool. I thought we were just cutting the fabric. I didn't know we were even doing all this extra work. So it's really neat. We actually see how the blinds get made right from scratch, right from the order coming in, all the way to actually making a finished product. Feels like I'm on that How It's Made show. This is cool. Our next step is we put some adhesive tape on the bottom of our fabric, staple it down, and then we take our inner tube, and then we can slide it along through that channel. Look at that. Now we got our rolled fabric section ready. Now we're going to install it. All right, we're going to show you one more time how this cutting system works. So it's all computerized. So Oksana gets on the computer. She's able to plug in the dimensions of what she wants to cut, and they can control the machine with the screen. So we get ready to turn it on. And we'll line it up, calibrate it. It's going to find its spot where it needs to start cutting. It's all done to maximize so you're not wasting fabric, not wasting material. And then once it's lined up, it's ready to cut, and then the machine will turn on. Fucking cool, really cool. Cuts the same way every time. There's no way a human can do that consistently every time and not mess up. Perfect sharp cuts every single time. That's what it's all about, and that's what Ecoline's looking for. And that's what I think is people that are interested in buying blinds. You should be working with companies that use this kind of machinery knowing that you're getting the best quality at the best price. So we're here at our installation table here, and we're installing our gearbox system for our cordless blinds. You can see all these different colored gears, and they all correspond to different lengths of blinds. It has nothing to do with showing off or trying to show how different colors we like everything. It's all coordinated to the length of the blinds, so there's different strengths in those gearboxes, so that's why they're different colors. So I learned something new again today. You can take it over our testing wall, latch it into place, and then we can pull it all the way down, make sure that it works. You can see how nicely it comes down. There's no sticking, goes all the way up nice and smooth. So we're gonna do that with every blind that gets manufactured here. We're always gonna test it so that's ready for the homeowner. As soon as it's installed, it's ready to go. All right, once we've tested it, we can get ready to package it, seal it up. That way it's not gonna get damaged, and it's good to go.